Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. About this one, we need to find about complementary solution and particular solution. About the first one, we need to put about yc equals to e to the power of lambda s. Later that we do first the derivative of yc, and we have lambda e to the power of lambda s. So if we do first the derivative of this one, we keep the same e to the power of lambda s. Later that we do first the derivative of lambda s, you got lambda. Now we go to second derivative of yc, and we have lambda square e to the power of lambda s. Because this is about complementary solution, so I will put this one equals to number 0. So I will put this one gone here, this one gone here, and this one gone here. So we have lambda square e to the power of lambda s plus number 4 lambda e to the power of lambda s plus number 3 e to the power of lambda s equals to number 0. And now we have this one, and this one. We can do about factorization. And we need to find the solutions of this one. So we have lambda equals to negative number 1 and lambda equals to negative number 3. So that means we have yc equals to c number 1, that is about the constant number 1, e to the power of negative s, and c number 2, e to the power of negative 3s. That's it from here. About particular solution, I will put about yb equals to as plus b, because we have 7s plus number 2 in here. And now we need to do first the derivative of yb. So first the derivative of s, we have number 1, so we have 8. This one, that is about the constant, so you got 0. And now second derivative of yb, you got number 0 in here because this is about the constant. Now I will put this one gone here, and now we will have 0 plus 4a plus number 3 as plus b. So we have 3as plus 4a plus 3b, and we know that this one equals to 7s plus 2. So we have s and s, we compare coefficients. So this one we have 3a equals to number 7, and the second one we have 4a plus 3b equals to number 2. And now we need to find the solutions of a and b. So a equals to 7 over 3 and b equals to negative number 22 over 9. So we put a and b, go back in here. So we have the final answer. YC that is about this one. YB that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.